Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you're doing well in these crazy times. Let's unbox OnePlus Bullet Z wireless headphones. I ordered them from Flipkart for 2000 rupees. I purchased the green color which is called as mint. They also have black color, blue and an off-white color called as oat. As soon as you open the box, you will see neatly packed headphones in green color. Let's keep them aside for a moment and see what else is in the box. Obviously, there's some paperwork, a quick start guide which nobody reads, a red cable membership card which I'll keep it aside for a moment, a tiny USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. These support Warp Charge 30T, a proprietary charging standard by OnePlus. So if you use the 30-watt charger, you can get 10 hours of battery life in just 10 minutes of charge. And before I forget, there are a small and a large pair of ear tips as well included in the box. OnePlus claims they have 20 hours of battery life, quick charge support, water resistance, quick switch feature and a low latency mode which is supported when you turn on Fanatic mode on OnePlus devices 60 and later. Pairing process is very easy as these support quick pairing feature with OnePlus 6 and later devices. If you turn them on and bring it next to a compatible device, these are detected automatically and a notification pops up. You just have to hit pair and they are paired instantly. I could not manage to get this function on my OnePlus 6, but it was easy enough on OnePlus 8 Pro and it worked as advertised. But worry not, if you use another device, you can just go to Bluetooth menu and pair them manually like a cave person. On the left side, you have two buttons, volume up and volume down, and a multi-purpose button to answer an end call. Long pressing on the same button activates voice assistant such as Google Assistant or Siri depending upon your device. There's another button on the side for quick switching between two devices. Let's see how this works. These work well on both Android and iPhone. When you are connected to one phone, double press on this button connects you to the other phone, which you had previously connected. This is a good solution to use two devices at the same time, but make a note that you cannot connect two devices at the same time with one headphones. Enough about the features and let's talk about the sound quality. I will not proclaim to be an expert on headphones or sound profile, but to my average ears, these sound good, and especially for the price of 2000 rupees. You seriously cannot go wrong. These have 9.2mm drivers which give good enough mids and highs, but the bass could have been better. But you can't complain at this price. I also compared them to my AirPods and found these to have better bass due to in-ear design, while the AirPods maintain a fairly flat audio profile but lack in bass due to out-of-the-ear type of design. So OnePlus has managed to give Indians another budget-friendly device with a great set of features. Let's hope you have liked this video and I will hope to see you in my next video. Stay home and stay safe guys. Bye bye.